when you are going with DC, we would recommend further go end to end. The flawless experience we had with DC, be it the design aspect, be it the execution aspect, be it customer behavior, it's all like 10 on 10. DC has done very flawless job.
Yeah, I'm Arabinda Joshi.
I'm Debasmita Mishra, and she is our daughter Jayabheri Joshi.
Say hi.
Say hi.
So we are living in Jayabheri Nirvana, and the property is of having 7.3 acres, whole property. And during this time, we booked our flat in 2021 December. We visited a lot of property, then we decided to go ahead with this because we like the layout and which brings our dreams to reality. So January 2024, we have
We got the handover.
got the handover.
Yeah. So basically, this is something which is very close to our heart. This is our first home at Hyderabad. So we wanted something which will be suiting the piece, the soul, the what we wanted. So we visited couple of different designers. One good story is first we visited DesignCafe, and then we explored couple of others, a designer as well, but we landed up with DesignCafe. So that makes us okay. We just explored the world, and then we ended up with DesignCafe. They not only just design your house, they make your flat like your own soul home. Listening to their customers, they understand the taste, they understand their actual requirement, and then make a home where we one day we have dreamt of.
I think when we started exploring, we wanted to have open and airy home and with a modern look. So, and we both love pastel colors. So, if you see many places, we have put and highlighted pastel colors. So, if you take the vanity area, if you take our bedroom wardrobe, we love doing that.
I would say we wanted a space for our kid in our office room, which is like the kid's bedroom, which we wanted a spacious place, and then comes to where we can take a vibe of while working. We will have a peace of mind and then some concentrations. Feeling we wanted in a single room. So there also we put together a little bit of like lilac and then beige color, and then we played a little bit of more color with paintings. So that made us.
She loves going there and enjoy. Always in the mornings, she said, "Let's go to baby's room." So
She loves being there. We wanted something which would be like a spacious, filled with warmth. At the same time, it should be very appealing when we see through this aesthetic way. So that's how we wanted and we got it. Mostly it was seamless, but I would like to explain one thing is that when we got some suggestions that while doing the electricals thing, we should go with the person who knows the buildings well. So we chose someone who is doing in the Jayabheri property or the quality to understand the points where it is, and then while executing that part, we thought like because it needs a coordination again. Knowing the points is okay, but it needs a coordination. So it would have been better if we would have hired someone who was from DC, because that coordination would have worked better. So it's about the same thing that when you are going with DC, we would recommend further that go end to end, so that they know their coordination, how to do that, and they know their each vendors. So that was something we could have done it better.
I love this living space and spend my 50% of time in the whole day here only.
I would say we wanted something as personal space. It's a sit out inside our master bedroom, which gives a very pleasant feeling because we can see the landscape outside as well.
Yeah, for me, like this lounge gives me so much comfort after a tiring day of work. And in the late night, I love watching football. So I spend a lot of time in the night and watch the TV from here.
I would say the sit out because it gives me my own personal space while working or having a coffee as well. So that is something like I can have my own space and own me time. Okay, I would say it is 9 out of 10, but close to 10 out of 10 because I give a 1 point improvement that everybody should do it. But the flawless experience we had with DC, be it design aspect, be it the execution aspect, be it customer behavior, it's all like 10 on 10. Just 1 point for the improvement.
I always give 10. I'll not deduct any point because the way they have started with the design to execution, and if you see their last day quality check also, it is so awesome. I loved it and I experienced throughout this journey and I enjoyed it. Any vanity?
Yes, because we wanted something a subtle color throughout the home, but we wanted to play with different colors. When we played with that, and it came like, oh my god, like this is something we wanted, and some elevated spaces which we wanted, and it came out very nicely, which was thought of when we bought the home itself. So that was kind of a awesome moment for us. It is something a dream come true because we wanted something which would be personal to us, because flat is something which everyone wants, but when it comes to converting that flat to a home, it's like very personal, and the feel should be coming like it we own and it is our home. So because the way DC is executing a flat to a home, which is like very close to their customer taste and choice and their personal life. So I would definitely recommend to everyone who wants to make their flat a dream home. And DC has done very flawless job.
Yeah, I'm already started and like whoever visit a home, we don't need to recommend. They only are asking about who has done this interior, and we love DC and the way they are executing even towards the best moment that I saw was when the carpenter who were working, they were also so well behaved and so good in their technical knowledge. So I love DC and we are recommending that. I think overall DesignCafe is awesome and we enjoyed the whole journey. We started around in the month of February 2025 and everything ended within the timeline. Basically, I am from operations background in my manufacturing thing. So I value people and the humanity and values of the people. So during this process, if you see the way they have behaved and the way they have connected with the customer and they understand the customer feedback and customer requirements so well, like I was like impressed. Yeah.
It's not about just the perfection, but about building the connection what we thought of and then what we got it at the end. So end result was, I would say, it's a perfectly connected our emotion that what we thought of and what we dreamt of. So I would say Design Cafe has done a very, very awesome job while converting this as a home.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.